Namaste bachcho. Myself Javin Dr. Monica Trivedi. Today I am going to teach you about elevation of boiling point. This topic belongs to thermodynamics, equilibrium and solution of BSc B.Ed PCM ZBC and BSc PCM ZBC fourth semester. So in previous classes we have learned about the colligative properties of a solution, and we learn about the lowering of vapor pressure. So for today's class I have choose the topic which is elevation of boiling point. So elevation of boiling point is simply a relation between elevation of boiling point and lowering of vapor pressure of a solution. So what happens when a liquid is heated, its vapor pressure rise, and when it equals to the atmospheric pressure, the liquid start boil. Okay. The condition of when we add the non-volatile solute in the pure solvent, what happened? The addition of the non-volatile solute lowers the vapor pressure and consequently elevation of the boiling point, as the solution has to be heated to the higher temperature. So it make the vapor pressure become equal to the atmospheric pressure. So if TB is the boiling point of the solvent, okay, and the T is the boiling point of the solution, the difference between the boiling point, which is del T, is called as the elevation of boiling point here. So del T is equals to T minus TB. Okay. So if you we plot the diagram between vapor pressure and temperature for the pure solvent, which is you can see the yellow yellow curve for that. If we add the non-volatile solute in the solution for the solution 1, and the last one is if we heat that solution, we will get the solution 2. For this kind of graph, we if we see the triangle ABD, and we compare the both triangle, which is ABD and ACE. Okay. What happened? The vapor pressure curve of the pure solvent and the solution 1 and 2. Okay, the different concentration of the solute are showing in the these figure. Okay, so if we compare both the triangle, what we get, we can put here AB by AC is equals to AD by AE. So in this AC by AB and AD by AE. Okay, so here you can see AB by AC is equals to AD by AE, or the AB means the AB in this diagram, AB means the temperature T1 and TB. Okay, and AC means the temperature TB and T2. Okay, so you can put here on behalf of AB T1 minus TB, and for behalf of AC T2 minus TB. Okay, same as for AD and AE. If we compare both the triangles for AD and AE, okay, what we have, the pressure P1 and P2. For AD we have P and P1, and for AE we have P and P2. So here we can put the value for AD and AE. We can put AD as a P minus P1, and we can put the value of AE is as a P minus P2. Okay, so where the P minus P1 and P minus P2 are lowering of vapor pressure, okay, for solution 1 and solution 2 respectively. Hence the elevation of boiling point, okay, elevation of boiling point, which we know that T1 minus TB and T2 minus TB is a change in temperature or elevation of boiling point, so it is represented as a del T, and P minus P1 and P minus P2 is a lowering of vapor pressure. So here we can put the equation as a del T is directly proportional to P minus PS, the lowering of vapor pressure of the solution. So hence it proves that the elevation of boiling point is directly proportional to the lowering of vapor pressure. Okay, thank you very much. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you satisfied with my session. If you have any query, please comment me in a comment section. Thank you.